Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about fix these Amazon main image mistakes to increase your sales. Let's get into it. When it comes to increasing sales on Amazon, optimizing your main product image is one of the simplest yet most powerful strategies. A poorly designed main image can cost you clicks and conversions, while a well-optimized one can significantly boost your sales. One common mistake is cropping the product image poorly. When parts of the product are cut off, it creates confusion. Customers want to see the full product clearly. The main image should showcase the entire product, filling the frame effectively without too much empty space. Another issue is excessive negative space. While some white space can help the product stand out, too much of it makes the product look small and less appealing. Ensuring the product occupies most of the image frame makes it more eye-catching. Inconsistencies in product information are also problematic. For example, if the title claims the product is 100% organic cotton, but the product details state it's 95% cotton and 5% spandex, this discrepancy can cause hidden suppressions on Amazon. Always ensure that the product title, bullet points, and description are consistent. Hidden suppressions can significantly affect product visibility. If your ASIN doesn't appear organically in search results, but only shows up as a sponsored ad, it might be suppressed. To check, search for the ASIN directly. If it's missing from organic results, there's an issue that needs attention. Swatch images are another area where mistakes happen. Low-quality swatch images or unclear color representations can confuse customers. Clear, high-quality swatches that accurately show the product's colors can improve click-through rates and conversions. Additionally, using visual cues like Made in USA badges can enhance credibility. Instead of a plain tag, using the actual red, white, and blue colors of the American flag makes the badge more noticeable and trustworthy. Finally, clarity is key. If the product is sold by the yard, for example, this should be clearly indicated in both the title and the main image. Showing context like a measuring tape or the product in use helps customers understand what they're buying. Optimizing your main image isn't just about making it look good, it's about increasing conversions. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can make your listings more effective and boost your sales on Amazon. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com, like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.